Alright, so today what I was going to do is show you how to put zipper tape together. You can buy ready-made zippers like that, but they're usually a little more expensive and they're not as versatile as zipper tape. Zipper tape, you can cut off any size you want. So here's a random piece of zipper tape. Now what you do is you get yourself a zipper toggle, like so, and you split it apart right here. You take the zipper toggle and you put it into the left-hand side of the zipper tape about halfway, about like that, and then press your finger against it so it stays there. You can see my thumb nail is a little bit white because there's pressure on it. But then you take the other side and just push that in there so they're both now in there, and then take one of your little extra fingers there and give it a little shove, like that. Okay, so now it's in there, and then you can either take a zipper stop like that, and what most people do is they just take that and poke that through there to the other side and then bend it around. Do the same thing on the other side, poke it through and bring it back around. Or you can use a piece of cloth, or you can use a piece of tape and just go ahead and sew it across there. And then that way you can make a zipper any size you wanted to.